All right, guys, we're back with another day in the life of a master tech. As you can see, I'm doing a little bit of a electrical diag. Customer stated that the AC wasn't working. I found a blown fuse due to a short in the dome-like circuit in the center console. Like, tell me, how does that relate to the AC? But whatever. Then I diagnosed the check engine light for a P1098 for basically a thermostat. But guys, this is a 3-liter thermostat. This is not no regular thermostat. This takes about 3 years to replace, bro. Then I replaced the rear evaporator. That was pretty quick. Performed a smoke test and found it leaking from the induction. Then I got back on this engine that I was replacing. Replaced the passenger dash airbag. Did a quick little oil change before lunch. Let's go. Finally, something easy. A thermostat, baby. Diagnosed a leaking tonneau cover motor on a Hummer. Replaced the screen. Then I got a customer Stacy feels a misfire. As you can see, that tip of that spark plug is completely bent. That's definitely the problem here, so I went ahead and replaced that. Then I finished it off with a rotate. Sold some spark plugs on a 3.6 liter before the end of the day, baby. And to finish it off, I did a coolant service, and that's it.